Imagine you're holding a grain of sand. Tiny, isn't it? You can feel its gritty texture against your skin, the warmth from the sun it absorbed. And though it's small, it's part of a vast and intricate world, much like our universe. Now, what if I told you that within this tiny grain and every other particle in the universe, there's an entire world as bizarre and mysterious as the ocean or the cosmos above us? That's what quantum physics is, a look at the very fabric of reality, where the rules are unlike anything we experience in our everyday life. Close your eyes and picture yourself standing at the edge of a still pond. You drop that grain of sand into the water and you see ripples spreading outwards. In the macroscopic world, the world we see every day, events unfold predictably. You drop the sand, the ripples spread in neat circles. But in the quantum world, this simple picture doesn't hold. Instead, it's as if each ripple can be in multiple places at once, and each path it takes is only one of many possibilities. When I first heard about quantum physics, I was sitting in a high school science class, half asleep, doodling on the margins of my notebook. The teacher mentioned something about electrons behaving like both particles and waves, and that woke me up. It sounded like science fiction. In fact, some aspects of quantum physics are so strange that if you follow the logic, it almost feels like magic. But it's not magic, it's reality, just a reality we're not used to. Think of light. We usually experience light as a stream of particles coming from a bulb or the sun, like tiny invisible balls bouncing off everything around us. But quantum physics tells us something extraordinary. Light isn't just a stream of particles, it's also a wave. Imagine standing on the beach, watching waves roll onto the shore. Now, instead of water, imagine these waves being made of light. What does it mean for something to be both particle and wave? In essence, it means that the universe isn't strictly set in stone, but rather a dance of probabilities and possibilities. I remember vividly a camping trip I went on with a friend in the mountains. We lay on our backs, looking up at the night sky sprinkled with stars. My friend started talking about parallel universes, worlds just like ours, but slightly different. At first I laughed it off, but there's a theory in quantum physics that suggests something similar could be true. It's called many worlds. In everyday terms, it suggests that every time a decision is made, the universe splits, creating two or more universes where each possibility happens. It's like choosing a path in a forest. Every possibility of where you could go creates a new trail, each existing equally and simultaneously. Now, if that sounds mind-blowing, it is. But it also makes you think about choices, about life. If every decision spawns new possibilities, it adds weight to our everyday actions. It's almost poetic, isn't it? The idea that there's more than meets the eye, that beneath the surface of our decisions, like the grain of sand nestled among millions on the shore, there are layers and layers of untold stories and realities. Quantum physics isn't just about electrons and photons. It's about approaching the universe with a sense of wonder and curiosity, realizing that there's an unseen dance at play in everything around us. It's like listening to a piece of music where the silence between notes is as meaningful as the notes themselves. In the quantum world, the space between certainty is filled with potential. As we live our daily lives, it's easy to get caught in the routine, the mundane. But remember that beneath the seemingly ordinary, there's a universe that defies our expectations. It's a place where particles can be connected, affecting each other from opposite ends of the universe in an instant, a phenomenon known as entanglement. Imagine being on one side of the world, whispering a secret, and having someone on the opposite side hear it instantly, without anything crossing the space between. It's this enthralling mystery that quantum physics invites us to explore, challenging what we know about distance and connection. In a way, understanding quantum physics, or at least trying to, is like peering into the very essence of what it means to exist. It's a reminder that the universe is more complex and fascinating than our senses can perceive, urging us to keep asking questions, to keep seeking. So the next time you pick up a grain of sand or gaze at the stars, think about the quantum world, this hidden layer of reality. It's there, just beyond what our eyes can see, a realm where the impossible becomes possible, and the universe whispers secrets through the fabric of existence. In its mysteries, we find not just answers, but more importantly, new questions, leading us ever onward in the pursuit of understanding the world and our place within it.